Maddy and Jimmy.
Are you bored? Stuck inside with nothing to do? Well, it's time to tell boredom to shush.
Stop, be quiet.
Because it's time for another Maddy and Jimmy boredom hack.
Yes!
Oh, it's Paul here.
Hi guys, and welcome to Maddy and Jimmy's very first Lego boredom hack. Now,
Hacking the boredom.
hacking the boredom.
Take that, boredom. Whoa!
We are so excited to be bringing some of these awesome videos to you. But before we get started, we have some very exciting news.
Oh yes, so exciting. For the very first time, we are going to be doing a live streaming interactive game show Sunday, 10 a.m. Eastern Australian time. You do the math, wherever you are, and it is going to be so exciting. All you have to do is go to maddyandjimmy.com. Almost forgot our own website address there. Almost forgot that.
Now, to defeat some boredom, we actually got an email this week, Jimmy, from Zoe, and she sent us the most amazing Lego stop animation. Check it out.
What?
So cool. How cool was that?
Like ice cold.
Amazing. It actually got me thinking, Jimmy. I think creating Lego stop animations is a brilliant idea to defeat boredom.
Absolutely. Now, the way that stop animation works is you take, like these, for example, and you'd move them there, take a photo, move them a little bit more, take another photo, move them a bit more, and keep doing that process until you put all the images or frames together, and you've got yourself a stop animation movie made by you.
There are loads of apps you can download to create.
Heaps.
Thanks, Jimmy.
Go again.
There are loads of awesome apps you can download to create these stop animations, Jimmy. We're actually going to put the link to some of these in the description.
And to make things a little bit interesting, what we want you guys to do is make your animations and then send them or a link to us at maddyandjimmy@gmail.com, and you'll go into the draw for a little old animation film festival. We're going to pick the best one and you're going to win a prize pack.
Oh, I'm so excited, Jimmy. I love film festivals and I love Lego, so this is going to be
To
brilliant.
become one.
Exciting times. This has been Maddy and Jimmy's very first Lego boredom hack.
Take that, boredom. Jim jar.
Jim Joe.
Jim jar.
Love it.
It's like a jam jar.